What are you doing, Bugs?
Digging a hole.
Is that your backhoe working?
Yeah.
What kind of backhoe is it?
John Deere.
No, that's a caterpillar.
Is it this John Deere?
Which one's the John Deere?
This one.
Oh, that's the John Deere.
Is it the backhoe caterpillar?
Yeah, that's a caterpillar.
Why does it use this one bucket?
Well, why does it use the bucket?
Because there's a hole in the ground.
Isn't that what the backhoe's for?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Digging a big hole.
Oh yeah, why?
Because I do so we can some water.
Oh, it's for water?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is this a pond? Are we digging a pond?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. Are we going to put fish in it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, all right.
So we just eat it. There's a bee
Where's the bee?
right here.
No, it's no bee. It's a fly.
Where is it?
It's a fly. You'll be okay. All right. Well, let's get our pond done, Kay.
Okay.
So we can put our fish in.
Okay. The backhoe, what's the backhoe's use the back button?
What are you supposed to do when it's all piled up like this? Are you supposed to spread it out in the tractor like that? How are you going to dump the tractor?
What's the trailer?
You're going to dump the trailer?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you going to dump it at?
On the grass.
On the grass?
Yeah.
We should probably keep it in the wood chip bin, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Are you starting to get into the water?
Well, we don't have water. The back bucket.
It's starting to get tough to dig?
Mm-hmm.
What do we do when it gets tough to dig?
Use a hammer.
Use a hammer?
Yeah.
What do we do with the hammer?
Stack it up.
Well, that's cool. Which one's your favorite, the John Deere or the Caterpillar?
The caterpillar.
Oh, you like the Caterpillar better?
Yeah.
Well, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's full already. We need to dump out.
Oh, wow, look at that. It was a dump trailer, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right, now set it back in there.
Can you help? No, you pack it down.
All right, pack it down. All right, now hook the trailer up so we can reload it.
Okay. Can you help the back?
Oh, yeah, I can help. Watch. You just got to go like that right there. Ready? Gotta line that up.
Can you hold it?
Wait, here, I'll hold this. Okay, now you hook it up. Yay, you did it! That's awesome.
Yeah. That's a big no.
All right, did you pack it all down?
Uh-huh.
Now we're back to digging our pond.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Then they go pond over there for the socks.
For the sharks?
Yeah.
Who are the sharks?
No sense. Whoa!
Whoa, that's scary.
Yeah, because we don't get
Are you trying to say, dun it, 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 dun it. Oh man, what do the jellyfish do? Oh, you almost got me. That was close.
Yeah.
All right, well, our pond's looking good, huh?
Yeah, well, we didn't think of.
All right, well, we'll do that on the next episode, okay?
Not yet. Not full yet.
Okay, we gotta wait till it's full. All right, well, look up here and say bye.